Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video we are going to be learning how to join these two mats to get this very big mat. Okay, so please stick and stay. Of course, we'll be needing our fishing line 0.7 mm. We are going to cut not too long and not too short, and then we are going to be needing our beads. Yes, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to insert our fishing line in this bead, this very bead. Yes, and after inserting our fishing line, we are going to make sure that the ends of both fishing lines are equal. Okay, the ends of both fishing lines are equal. After which, we are going to pick this very fishing line, this one. Then we are going to pick two beads. We are going to insert one bead on that fishing line, then insert that same fishing line into this bead. You get it? That same fishing line into this bead. Then we are going to use the other bead. We are going to cross with that bead. You see, this is how it is. It is very, very simple. It is very, very simple. And after that, you are going to pick your right fishing line. You are going to pass it through the next bead beside it like this. Then you pick your left fishing line, pass it through the next bead beside it like this. Then we are going to cross with one bead. Yes, so this is how we are going to cross. This is how we are going to cross with the one bead. And we are going to pull, okay? After that, you go through the next bead beside it with the right fishing line, and then the left fishing line you do same. You are going through the next bead beside it, then you are going to cross with one bead. You are crossing with just one bead, okay, like this. Please make sure you pull your work, okay, because mind you, you are joining two mats together, so it has to be firm and nice, okay. So please make sure you are pulling your work. After, you are going to repeat the same process. Right fishing line into the next bead beside it, and then the left fishing line into the next bead beside it, and then we are going to cross with one bead. We are going to cross with one bead. It is very, very simple, and even my beginners can do it, okay. So please make sure you are watching and practicing, okay. Yes, and you are crossing with one bead, like this. Please make sure you are pulling your work, okay. This one I will not stop saying it. Make sure you are pulling your work, okay. Yes, so you are going to be repeating the same process until we get to the last but one bead. Until we get to the last but one. So we are here, which means that we are almost there. Yes, so we are going through the left bead as well, after going through the right bead with the right fishing line, and then we are going to cross or make our final cross. Yes, this is our final cross. This is our final cross. You pick your right fishing line. You are going to insert it to the next bead beside it. Please watch here carefully because we are not crossing, okay. And then you pick your left fishing line as well. You pass it through the next bead beside it like this. Then you are going to pick one bead. This time round, you are going to pull the bead down, and then you are going to, you see, I'm tightening my work, okay. So you are going to pull to tighten your work, and then you are going to make a knot. So we are making a knot. This is where we make our knot, okay. Please don't cut after the knot. Don't cut after the knot. Watch and see what you are going to do next. We are going to make 3 knots. Don't forget that we are making 3 knots. So this, of course, is our final knot. This is our final knot, the third and final one. So after that, this is what you are going to do. You go through this bead, go through this bead, go through this bead. Please, this is to secure our knot, okay? This is to secure our knot. And please don't just go through any other beads. Watch carefully so that you don't spoil your pattern, okay? Watch carefully. So this is what we do, and then we pull it. We go through another bead, and we go through this bead as well, and then we are done. We are done with this part. So we are going to pick the other fishing line after cutting this one, and then we go through this bead as well. We are going to go through this bead, you see, then we go through this one. We are going to go through this one. It is at least 5 beads, okay? Go through at least 5 beads. Please use the correct pattern, okay? And then you are going through the last bead, and then you are going to cut. Yes. So after cutting, our work is ready. We now have a big mat. I know you enjoyed this video, and so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. If you want to purchase any of the items, please check description for contact details. Thank you.